In this video, I'm going to be going over what is character development. Character development is the process of creating fictional characters with the same depth and complexities as real-life human beings. Throughout the story writing process, the author, yourself, will develop any number of character traits to fully flesh out the people that populate their stories. Some of the key elements of character development to create a good character development and character arc includes these elements: backstory, personality, goals and motivation, strengths and weaknesses, relationships, and of course, conflicts. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you taking your time to learn character development with me. And if you want to check out some of my other character development videos, I do have a playlist here. You can also take a look at one of my main ones, which uses Iron Man as an example because he is a positive character arc, and I go into deep detail about him, and I also give you a little bit of homework assignments at the end. So check out this video, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next video.